Hello friends, in this video we will see a problem based on a direction test. So before that we will see what are the basic directions are there, right? So the basic directions are, so this above side is north, okay, and this side is south, and this one is east, and this one is west, okay. So if the direction is in between these two, that is called as northeast. We have another four directions. If the direction is between north and east, that is called northeast. If the direction is between north and west, that is called northwest. If the direction is between south and east, that is called southeast. If the direction is between west and south or south and west, that is called southwest. Okay. So these are the directions available. Okay. So you observe actually whenever there is a direction east and north, so it is always starts with the north only. Okay. So the in between directions are always start with north and south only. So if you observe here, it is northeast starting with N. I mean northwest, it is starting with N. So if you observe this one, it is a northeast starting with north. I mean N. You cannot say this one east north. You cannot say this one west north. Same for here. So here we call southeast and southwest, not east south or west south. Okay. So these are the basic directions available. So now let's take one problem and we will solve that problem. Okay, based on these directions. So the first problem is Rajnikant started to move in the north and moved 15 meters. Then he turned to his right and moved 25 meters. After this, he turned to his right. He turned to his right and moved 35 meters. Now, how far is he from his starting position? Okay, so we have to find the how far he is from the starting position. So what Rajnikant did, he started moving in the north direction. So north direction means north is towards the up direction, right? So let us assume he started here, okay, and started moving north direction, right? So he moved here in the north and moved 15 meters. So this is 15 meters. Okay. So then he turned to his right. So whenever he is moving this direction, this is right and this is left to him. So he moved right direction. So that means from here he moved this one and moved how much distance? 25 meters distance. Moved 25 meters distance. After this, he turned to his right. Again from here, this one is left side and this one is right side. So he moved right. So that means he moved this side. So that is how much distance he traveled? 35 meters. So 35 meters he traveled and reached. Now, how far is he from his starting position? How far is from starting position? So that means we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Okay, how far is from the starting position, right? So let us assume this is P and Q and R, and this is the S point. If this one is 15 meters, so I draw a line from here to here. So this is going to be how many? 25 meters. Why? Because this is a 25 meters, so this is also going to be 25 meters. Okay. So now this is a 15 meters, so the corresponding this part is also going to be equal to 15 meters. So this is also a 15 meter. So if this one is 15 meter, from R to S he traveled 35 meters. So this is 15 meters. So this one is going to be 20 meters. Okay, this one is going to be 20 meters. Okay, so now we have to find the distance of this one. So if you observe here, so it is making 90 degrees here. So this is the P. Assume this point is the T. This point is the T. So now PTS is a 90 degrees. So the angle of PTS is equal to 98 degrees. So that means the PTS is a right angle triangle. So whenever there is a right angle triangle, so the diagonal score is equal, I mean the square of the diagonal is equivalent to the sum of the squares of the two sides. So that means here PS square is equal to the first side is PT square plus and TS square, right? According to the Pythagoras rule. So now we know the values of PT and TA. So that is going to be equal to how much? So 25 square plus 20 square. So 25 square is 625 plus 20 square is 400. So this is going to be equal to 1025. So 1025 means PS square. So from this one we can write PS is equal to under the root of 1025. We know approximately 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. So you can write this one is approximately going to be equal to 2 to the power of under root 10. Okay. So then PS will become, so 2 to the power of 5 approximately. Okay. So 2 to the power of 5 is 32 meters. So this is the actually approximate value. Okay, so that means the distance now the far is from his starting position is how much? 32 meters. So now he is actually 32 meters away from the starting point. Okay, so I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please watch next videos in this series to get more idea on direction test. So please subscribe to my channel.